Hi, I'm Dane Muldoon, Senior Sales Engineer at Supply Partners, Australia's leading technical distributor of solar and energy storage systems. And today I'm here to talk to you about Hyundai Energy Solutions, one of the premium manufacturers of photovoltaic modules, solar panels, in the Australian market today. One of the most significant things about Hyundai is that they offer a 25-year product warranty on their solar panels. This is in addition to a 25-year performance warranty on their solar panels. And of course, being Hyundai, you have backing from a very, very significant manufacturer for your entire system's life. Now, when we take a look a little bit more at who Hyundai are, obviously one of the most well-known consumer brands in the world, currently ranking number 94 on the Forbes 2019 World's Most Valuable Brands. And in terms of their involvement with the solar industry, they started in solar in 2004. That makes them the oldest solar panel manufacturer in Korea. But the business was founded right back in 1972. The increase to a 25-year product warranty occurred in 2019, and there is now a network of authorised Hyundai dealers right around Australia. One of the nice things about Hyundai is that they have been in the Australian market a long time. Here we have a testimonial from a customer in regional Queensland that had an installation put in 8 years ago. Well, being 2020, it's now 9 years ago. That's a wonderful testament that there's been no noticeable drop in electricity production in 8 years. Hyundai panels tick all the other boxes that you'd expect. Very good technology, mechanically very strong, resistant to all manner of corrosive materials, all the relevant international tests. If we take a look then at how Hyundai's panels stack up against someone else in the market, an alternative tier 1 panel, what you'll find is that they have been in business much longer. You'd really call them a 5 out of 5 in terms of their brand strength and time in business. They're also a diversified business. This is quite significantly different to a lot of the other solar panel manufacturers in the market who only produce solar panels. That's the only business activity they have. There is effectively no diversity in their business structure. Hyundai Energy Solutions, being part of the larger Hyundai Heavy Industries group, is involved in all sorts of things. They're the world's largest ship manufacturer, amongst other things. They're obviously also very large in terms of their financial strength and annual turnover. And then with a 25-year product warranty, you'd expect that's effectively a 5 out of 5 for the product warranty as well. Good efficiency, a little bit more expensive than some of the others, but overall a really compelling option versus other brands in the market today. Effectively, this means that they are a blue chip solar panel manufacturer. They're a low risk manufacturer. And when you are investing in solar for 25 years of results, performance, and production, you really want to have a strong manufacturer backing those warranties. Just thinking about what 25 years looks like if you were to install a Hyundai system in 2020. In the future, you'd expect to see that, electric vehicles become more popular. You might end up trading electricity online, and by the time 2043 rolls around, you'd be in a position to sell your home and the warranty would still be there covering the system and transferable. Hyundai have been involved in production for such a long time. They've got all manner of large and small case studies alike around the world. Currently, as of April 2020, there are 2 panels. First of all, the 315 watt panels. This is a product transition. Then we will move rapidly to the 330 watt panels using the new split cell technology. And that's all I wanted to cover off today. Really proud to be bringing you this information on Hyundai Energy Solutions to you. Wonderful product, wonderful brand, and probably the best backing in the market. Thank you very much.